as a forex trader, you don't control the market. We follow what the market does. Many a time we want to control the market, but we find out that you cannot control the market. You cannot tell what you want market to do. Rather, you follow what the market tells you to do. In today's video, I want to show you how we can follow what gold is telling us to do. So in this video, last week, gold was at this level last week. If you go to our 4 hours chart, so gold was around this area last week. There was a trend line across this eye, this low to this eye, and I'm saying that possibility for gold to start selling, okay, after retesting for, I think it's from here. I said gold will start selling from here. He pulled the sell a bit, but unfortunately he reversed to the upside. All right, so it was not good enough, and since then you can see there's a consolidation here. Okay, there's a lot of consolidation here. Then after the consolidation, the gold spark up. Okay, if you remember previous video, not last week video, I think a week before last, I was explaining something around this area on gold, that there's probability. Then it was like this. This is what we have. Then gold has not sold the way it's selling. It has sold here. It was around here, and I said that there's probability that gold may cross this and continue on a bullish move, and I draw a fib level that it may start dropping from 50 or 61% retracement. But it failed to do that because in that video I explained that it's probability that gold may come up, retest, and continue to sell. Okay, but eventually gold did not do that. You can go back to that video, I explained everything. So but gold refused to break. He continued on a downtrend. Since then we have been having a downward movement on gold, and market have been consolidating since then, which brought the last week video, which I said there's a break in resistance in trend line, and there was a sell, and maybe I said maybe the pullback on the gold. We continue a downward sell, but market refused to do that. All right, so but today I want to show you what the market is currently doing right now. If you remember this area, okay, which is our resistance, okay, market tried to break it several times, but it's not able to. That's why you see this weak. All right, that's why I put this resistance line. Okay, but the market came to that area, tried to break it again several times. It did not, and then just like what is happening here, it's the same thing. Bullish bearish candle, and coming here again, bullish bearish. The same thing that happens here, it's happening here also, and this is a support underneath here. Okay, there's a support. That's why you see this week, the candle 4 hours candle forming a week, because of this psychological level and also this support line. So there have been a battle between that area and with the candle. So now what can we do this week? How can we enjoy the market this week? What position can I place my order this week? And again, just a quick reminder, this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to explain what I understand or direction which gold can go in the market. This is my own idea. It's not a financial advice. So trade wisely. Gold is very, very volatile. So be cautious. Alright, don't trade your money with money you cannot afford to lose. So this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to do my thing. Gold market is like ranging within this circle. Alright, if you look back, the same thing is happening. Let's go to daily chart. Okay, on a daily chart, you can see gold was on a bullish move, okay, for several months. Then when it comes to this place, this area, gold started falling, okay, and it has been falling, just like what I used to say, that after many fall, there will be a kind of pullback, and after many buy, there will be a kind of pullback also. So as you can see in this situation, gold has been selling, okay, it has been falling for several days. This market cannot continue to fall for a very long time. It will pull back. Even if you want to continue on a downtrend, it will pull back a bit. So when it pull back, what I want you to know and learn as a forex trader is that, or as a gold trader, is that Fib always help a lot. I use it a lot. It usually help me both smaller time frame and a higher time frame. I use it a lot to confirm my entries. So here, let's apply Fib for the pullback. So anytime you see a downward trend or an upward trend, okay, just wait a while for a pullback. And when you see the pullback, just bring out your Fibonacci tool, then apply it on the pullback. And when you see the pullback, just try and target 50% from 38% retracement to 50 and 60% retracement. Those are the area market pull back from. So these three area market can pull back from it. Don't mind my lines and all this. It's my psychological level. Okay, so I use it for entry and exit, or to know what decision to take in the market. So as time goes on, I will explain how it works. So now you can see on a daily chart, okay, many days when you look left, all right, many days you notice that many days around this area, you notice that gold was not doing anything, it was just on a range. Okay, now market has come into that same range now. Okay, look at today now. The candle is ranging. It's not going up, it's not rather going down. So this tells us to wait. Alright, so though I've been making some money from this up and down, alright, so because today is I think holiday, US holiday, and Canada, I think it's a military memorial day for most countries. Even UK celebrates theirs yesterday in the church. So maybe that's why the market is doing what it's doing around this area. So, and you can see it got to that 51%, 50% retracement, and it reversed back after the pullback. This is what I want you to understand. Okay, so but we can't just say because it got to this 50% retracement, the market will start selling. There's probability that the market can come to this 61 again, okay, after some hours or days, to retest this area before selling. You understand? Or market could. So let me just explain what could happen to the market so that I can position myself to know what to do in the next few days. Alright, so market can come this way. Alright, come to this area, retest, go to the go again to this 50% retracement and fall. Alright, or come to this 61% retracement, okay, then fall. Alright, so what, or come to this 50 after touching the 60% retracement. Okay, I'll go to any of these. No, I won't do anything on 50% anymore because I've done some, I've sold some, I've bought some, around this area, because market was just shopping around this circle. Okay, so but before I place any trade now, I will allow the market to touch this 61% retracement. Okay, all right. When it comes to this 61% retracement, then see what, because on this 61 you can see that it's on the psychological level, and again this 50% retracement is on the psychological level. That's why the market reversed. That area is very powerful. And also 61% retracement is market's psychological level, so there's probability the market will start selling from here before it to start going up. All right, start selling from here to here. So I can make some profit from here to here. All right, so before you get to this 50%, and from this 50% the market can retest this area and bounce up, boom. Okay, so gold can do this in the next few days. All right, or come to this 38 before going up. But what happened is that I won't just place any trade. You know why I'm saying, giving all this analysis, that go do whatever I like. Okay, what we do is to follow what the market is showing us. So if we come to this 61% retracement, because of the psychological level, I will see what it's gonna do around here, and it's a resistance area. So whatever it's doing around here, if you show me a sign of sell, okay, maybe by 4 hours bearish engulfing candle, or some candlestick pattern, or market structure around here, this area, I'll be able to sell to this area or halfway. Okay, then coming to this area, this is another way, another position which I can buy from, which is 50% retracement, because it is on a support and also psychological level. All right, so here whatever I see a sign, I will see around here, okay, engulfing candle, all those reversal sign of pullback, I can buy from here, then target upward. All right, so it shows that gold is maybe changing direction, or maybe because we thought it's going to be selling. But if gold did not fly up, okay, then possibility that it will start selling from here, from 61% retracement down to this area. Okay, so that is what I can project in the market. All right, so for the people that want to day trade from this 61% retracement, can day trade to halfway or to the full of this 50. Before you go to 50% retracement, you can you can close your trade or close the trade, so and buy from here to target the middle or around here. Okay, and close your trade around here for day traders. But for swing traders, if you market come to this area as a swing trader, whatever you see that happens around here, you can continue on a downtrend if the market wants to still fall. And for swing traders also, if you are buying from here, okay, if you want to continue, because you're a swing trader, whatever the market does around here will determine if you will continue bullish trend or not. So that is that. So those are the things I see in the market for this week. So I hope you prepare yourself to see what I just explained, how it plays out. All right, so I'm going to be taking the trade exactly in all the positions I just mentioned. Okay, so this is my own idea. Okay, it's not a financial advice. All right, so that is that. So these are the points. I'm just trying to mark the point. Okay, So these are the things I see in the market. I believe that this market will start going up. Okay, I have more probability on upside because you can see this is a W pattern. All right, I think I should just go to 4-hour time frame to see the market clearly. So on 4-hour time frame, okay, let's zoom properly. So after this impulsive move, okay, this bullish move, all right, you can see the market is about falling again. So don't forget, once you see market start falling again, just go to your fib. All right, from swing low, from here is the swing low to the swing high. All right, so there's probability, you can see what I said, that the market will drop and from here to start going. So there's probability that it will first of all come to retest this 38% retracement or 50% retracement before it start going up. Okay, when you get to this area, I'll just step down to 4 hours time frame to monitor what happens around 38% retracement and 50% retracement. Okay, so to drop to 61 maybe, then whatever I see here with the timing, I may even put my stop loss here and enter from 38, put my stop loss, then project so high. So that's swing trading. Even day trading can do that, depends on your risk engagement. So that's for 4 hours analysis on gold. All right, so that is that. So let's hope and see how it works. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's grow the channel together. Turn on the notification bell, comments on what you think, and like the video. So I see you some other time. Bye.